low.
Yeah.
Very nice. That looks good.
Appreciate you, man.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
318 NSV3s, all dual ones. Right now they're at 0.6 on a base 30K. Got the two JS 370s and about 80 amp hours of EH5 back there.
What made you invert two of them?
Well, I needed more space in the box.
Okay.
Because right now, with everything out, it's about 18 total. So I got 4 8-inch aero ports. I got one blocked off, so a total of 3.
Okay.
And gave me more cubes with the other subs out.
Yeah.
I would have put that last one out, but I ain't got no clearance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Got it. You just had to reverse polarity?
Right,
on the
yeah,
wire?
the last
Yep.
one. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, the front two are the same, but that last one was,
All right.
had to reverse it.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Ooh.
Yeah, look,
You got a lot of work on
yeah.
in your doors. Man, you got...
Yeah, they're the ugliest doors probably in the state of Florida, so I had to put the...
It'll be all right. It works.
It works, man.
Is your back open, or is it breaking?
It does.
Can I see it real quick?
Need the air on out anyway.
Yeah. Woo. Man.
The secret exit.
There you go.
Bro,
Yes, sir. Jacob Vile.
Man, I didn't even recognize you at first, man. I watched your stuff.
Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, man. We're doing a video right now. He's showing me his build. So why did you plug one? Is it just louder, musical, or what?
It's louder musical and also drops the tuning. So I can get down to, with authority, probably 21.
Yeah, it was really low.
Yeah.
Very nice. That looks good.
Appreciate you, man.
Nice work.
Yeah.
She got the outside.
Oh, man. I'm waiting for it to go. But here's I haven't put some here because I have about, I don't know, less than probably a 16-inch of metal back there.
It's breaking, yeah. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give Jeff a like and comment what you like about his system. This was at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. Looking forward to showing you a crazy bass demo with the crazy back flex. The hatch seemed like the glass was going to fall apart. 30,000 watts on this triple sub system, and being two of the subwoofers are inverted, gave them optimal amount of cubic space to fit pretty much as possible. It's insane to be able to fit a box like that inside of this SUV. And I didn't get to see the base 30,000 watt amplifier. It is underneath the seat there with a total of 2 alternators in the big lithium bank here to support that. And he's getting all the juice being wired right under 1 ohm. And if you notice the way he has one of his ports plugged, anybody that runs multiple ports, if you plug one of them, your play tune will be a little bit lower, reduces port area, sometimes increases the actual cubic space in the box as well, if you consider that. And mounting the sub in the back, regular helps me kind of see the difference between subflex with the inverted and outside of the vehicle. You're going to see that flex. The back panels seem like they were breaking apart during this demo. You're going to see it was pretty insane. You actually notice the way he braces his roof as well. There's a lot of work he's done since this video. This was at the Slamfest show in 2021. I still got a couple videos I'm sharing from that year, so stay tuned. And that makes a total of 30,000 watts between 3 18-inch subwoofers in this bass demo. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I do daily car audio videos, and enjoy the demo. Hey Jess, the back hatch on this one.
Yeah. People acting like I ain't a fucking criminal. Like I ain't never doing dirt, dog. Probably cause the way I'm doing shit is clinical. I've been putting in some work, bro.
sir.
Just get back on.
Yep. Oh man, thank you for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
Appreciate you. All right, man.
Thank you for the demo, man. I'd love to see the back. Woo. Man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.